Protection Agency needs a new leader as of today. Administrator Christy Whitman resigned, and yesterday was her last with the agency. Now, also yesterday, her deputy administrator resigned as well. Now, the past couple of years have been tough ones at the EPA. Some former and current EPA staffers who complained about White House interference in environmental policy. Now, Whitman was often caught in the middle of the international global warming debate, air quality issues, and the push for more control over power plant pollution. However, a former deputy assistant administrator at the EPA says Whitman almost had an impossible job because she was stuck often with exaggerated science from environmental zealots. Fred Singer says it's important to remember that scientific theory is inexact and politically charged.
Inevitably, science is political. I'm not saying that scientists themselves are political, but the interpretation of science tends to be political. The reason is that the science is not always very exact. This is not laboratory science. This is not physics or chemistry that you can do in the lab where you can repeat experiments. These are measurements done out in nature where you have many disturbing factors, and there's all sorts of ways of interpreting the data. And I think that's where the principal difficulty lies.
Now, Singer was the first scientist to predict that population growth would increase atmospheric methane, an important greenhouse gas. However, he scoffs those who claim that carbon dioxide is a pollutant. He says that kind of, as his words say, exaggerated science is what made Whitman's job so difficult. Now, Singer is a good example of why the global warming debate rages on. He doesn't think there's proof that human activity is causing climate change. He also believes cost-benefit analysis should play a bigger role in environmental policy. Now, as for Whitman's replacement, one of the people mentioned frequently as a possible replacement for her is Idaho Governor Dirk Kempthorne. So we will have to wait and see, but I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon.